Uh-huh.
Have you seen that blue tape?
There's some on one of the carts.
Look at my bucket right there. That's something there.
Or it has it? It has it.
My own paper. You have to do.
There's some blue tape.
It's a blue tape, man.
Who's got the blue tape, man?
You got the hammer up under your foot if you need to knock them in there.
This is some bull crap, right?
Better way of doing shit, man.
There's gotta be a better way.
There is a better way of doing shit. If they don't consult with you or they don't
Hey,
talk to you about it.
hey, can he take that, reach in there with that bar, push it over as far as you need, and then you can stick it in there? You see what I'm saying, Ruben?
What?
You take that bar, stick it in there, and just push it to where he could get that nose in there to where he can finger.
What bar?
That blue one right there.
So I really don't care about all that. All that I care about is that this son of a bitch sits flush. Now, let's pick this up and set that son of a bitch right over there.
Oh, there you go. Alright. You're gonna put that first. Well, I'm gonna give you one arm to fit in here.
Alright. And the objective is just make sure that this here gets on the outside of that ring on that rubber.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll line it up. Where's your hammer? Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
I got my hand.
Got it?
I got my hand here.
It's a stuck on this stud over here, man. This thing here, man.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, man.
I got my hand.
This is staying right here, this stud.
There we go.
There we go. Yep.
Pick it up.
It's gotta be more over there, dude. It can't go, because this is it over here.
I can't go no further.
Can you go down to the second floor and actually pull the pipe off?
I said we just cut that dang peach up out. Fucking do it again.
There you go.
Oh, okay, he got it, Watch your finger. Okay, but you're gonna get that set there, but it's gonna get stuck here on the top
this,
again.
hold
Okay. Do it. Do it again. I don't know why it gets caught up. It gets hung up on here,
You
man.
guys should have took that screw out when we was there.
Fuck.
The screw.
Yeah, there's a screw right here at the stud, man. And it's not one of those flat ones, those round ones. Oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna be that.
And the rubber ring that went down inside the hole.
Yeah, reset.
I got